This video explains the process of requesting a demo and initially setting up your MultiCharts platform. To request a demo of MultiCharts through Optimus Futures, go to our website, www.optimusfutures.com, and you're going to mouse over the platform heading and select MultiCharts. Then in the upper right hand corner, you're going to type in your first and last name, your phone number, and your email address. Then click Get Demo Now. In a few minutes, you'll receive an email from Optimus with a link to download the program, as well as a set of credentials you can use to connect to the Rhythmic data feed. So once you've downloaded and installed MultiCharts, you'll see some new icons on your desktop. Double click on the colorful icon that looks like this. That should start up the program. Okay, once it loads up, you'll see a preferences menu appear. Here is where you will set some of the initial preferences. I'll start by unchecking the Show the Dialog box, so this menu won't appear every time you open the software. The other settings are basically self-explanatory, and I prefer to have all workspaces from previous session open upon startup, and opt to not show a confirmation box when I close a window. Then click OK. The first thing you want to do is set up your broker profiles. To do this, go to File, Broker Profiles, Manage Broker Profiles. These three come up just as default, so to keep things simple, we will remove these two by clicking on Remove. You will then need to add the only other one you'll need by clicking on New and then select Rhythmic Local SIM and clicking OK. The Rhythmic 01 broker profile basically controls your overall data feed connectivity, whereas the Rhythmic Local SIM broker profile is what you'll be used to place paper trades. A little later on you'll understand how this works. To connect to these broker profiles, you're going to want to highlight Rhythmic 01, select Edit, and then type in what you were issued from the email from Optimus Futures. Leave this how it is and click OK. You will then highlight it and click Connect. You'll see it go from connecting, and it will let you know when it's connected. You then also connect to Rhythmic Local SIM and then click Close. You'll see in your trade bar up here that the tabbed Rhythmic Broker Profiles will have a green light next to them if they're connected successfully. The last step is to load the commodity symbols you want to display data for on your platform. This can be done in a handful of ways, but I'll show you how it's done when being prompted to enter a contract that you want displayed in the new chart you're looking to create. So to start, we'll go to File, New, Chart Window. You'll see the Format Instrument menu appear with a blank list ready for us to add the single instrument the chart will display, or we can add a bunch of contract symbols for later use. First, ensure that Rhythmic 01 is defined as the data source. Then, clicking Add will bring up a search feature for Rhythmic 01. You can start by typing the common product ticker for the individual contract you'd like to add, such as ES for the E-mini S&P 500 futures or CL for crude oil, and then clicking Lookup. Then you'll make a selection from the list that corresponds with your desired expiration month and click Add, and you'll be able to see a confirmation window appear. If you'd like to run through the entire list of available symbols for Rhythmic 01, you could type an asterisk into the box and click Lookup. When you're done, click Close and you'll see your newly created list. Then you will highlight one from your list and click OK. Then the chart will display live market data of that product with the default chart setting. Please take a look at my other videos titled Format Instrument Menu and Format Window Menu that will explain in greater detail how to edit the settings on a chart. You can access and even edit your contract list through opening a new DOM window as well by clicking on the magnifying glass icon right at the top. Last, it is important to note that whenever you'd like to do some paper trading, whether it be from the DOM window or the chart trading pad or the trade bar, make sure you have the window pointed towards Rhythmic Local Sim. You can double check that you have the correct broker profile selected by ensuring you see Sim1 or Sim2 listed for the account. Feel free to read through their help guide, which can be accessed from the main menu in the platform. If you have any questions, please email support@optimusfutures.com or matt@optimusfutures.com, or you can give us a call if you prefer. You will have 30 days of access to both the software and the data connectivity from the date you were issued the demo. And this concludes my video on setting up your demo of the MultiCharts platform with the Rhythmic data feed. Thanks for watching.